So today we will start with methods of preparation. We are dealing with the chapter alcohol. In previous discussions, we have already discussed classification and nomenclature of alcohols. And now we are going to see the methods of preparation. Methods of preparation. Alcohols, they are prepared by several methods. In that, first method is from alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, when they are hydrolyzed with aqueous KOH or moist silver oxide, there is formation of alcohol plus a salt KCl. Similarly, we can use here sodium hydroxide. It is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second point is this reaction takes place in aqueous medium. That is to be mentioned here. KOH should be prepared in water. In alcoholic medium, it will be giving alkene, means dehydrohalogenation will take place. So aqueous medium is required. If alkyl group is bulky, then the reaction proceeds through SN1 mechanism. R is bulky. When our alkyl group is smaller, then the reaction proceeds through SN2 mechanism. Now, in case of alkyl groups, चलिए क्लास चल रहे। अरे ऊपर किसने वो भेज दिला से हमारा ऊपर किसका वास्ते हम now. So it was under our discussion that rearrangement is possible to a more stable carbocation formation when now second method of preparation. Second is hydration of alkenes. When it is hydrolyzed, it is hydrated, then in presence of sulfuric acid followed by hydrolysis, there is formation of alcohol. One alkene, propene or propylene, when it is hydrated, then it will form isopropyl alcohol. It is an addition reaction. And addition takes place according to Markovnikov rule. So for unsymmetrical alkenes, you will get here Markovnikov product, addition product. Then next one is reduction of aldehydes, ketones, etc. So we will see one particular example, that is acetaldehyde. When it is reduced, then there will be formation of ethyl alcohol. It undergoes reduction. Now for reduction, we can use here different reducing agent like sodium amalgam and water. It will be converted into alcohol, corresponding alcohol. Or we can also use here zinc amalgam and HCl, that is called as Clemenson's reduction. Again you will get here so if you use here zinc amalgam, then it is a strong reducing agent, so it will give you here alkane instead of. So depending upon the reducing agent, different types of product possible when acetaldehyde is reduced. So strong reducing agent like zinc amalgam and HCl, it convert it into ethane. So that much strong reducing agent is not required. So zinc amalgam and HCl will convert aldehyde into alkane. Now other method that includes reduction by metal hydrides. Metal hydrides. We will use today two types of metal hydride, sodium borohydride, and lithium aluminum hydride. These two are hydride used for reduction of aldehyde ketones, and lithium aluminum hydride being a strong reducing agent, it will reduce amides, RC double bond O NH2, that is amides, acid chlorides, esters, carboxylic acids, into corresponding alcohols. It is happening with lithium aluminum hydride. It is a strong reducing agent. It reduces these species also along with aldehydes and ketones. Sodium borohydride is somewhat weak reducing agent as compared to lithium aluminum hydride. So it reduces aldehyde and ketone and does not reduce amide, acid, chlorides, acid or esters. So we will see first by reduction by lithium aluminum hydride. Reduction of aldehyde. It is reacted with lithium aluminum hydride. Now lithium aluminum hydride gives inflammable reaction with moisture. Therefore here ether is used as a medium, as a solvent, so that lithium aluminum hydride should not come in contact with moisture and other gases. Therefore we are using here ether as a solvent. Now as an inert medium, lithium aluminum hydride, it can be written as Li plus AlH4 minus aluminum hydride. From hydride H minus, it goes to carbon, and Li, it will get attached to oxygen. So it will give here R, C single bond O, Al. Now after removing one hydride, you will be having 3 hydrides, single bond H, and the one hydrogen that is coming from lithium aluminum hydride. So this red H, it is coming from lithium aluminum hydride in the form of hydride. Now here still there are 3 hydrides, so it will react with the second molecule of aldehyde R, C double bond O, single bond H. It is the second molecule. So again it is similar to the first one. Hydride is going here, one hydride, it will go to carbon. Carbon oxygen double bond will convert into single bond, and aluminum will get attached to oxygen like previously it had attached to oxygen. So R, single bond C, single bond O, single bond Al, here H2. Now single bond H, and this hydride is coming from RCO, RCO, HH, HH. So this species, this part, it is 2 times. First, when it is reacting with the first molecule of aldehyde, and after reacting with second molecule, you will get here this species. Now still there are 2 hydrides, so I write here A minus, and it is associated with lithium ion. So it is associated with lithium ion. Now it will react with the third molecule of aldehyde. It is a third molecule. Now again R, C, single bond O, single bond H, and single bond H. It is from hydride. So it is the third part. It is getting attached. It is attached to aluminum, and one hydride is still there 3 times now. Then it will react with the second molecule, fourth molecule, and converting it into a complex Al negative, and here Li positive, then it is 4 times when it is hydrolyzed in presence of an acid, then there is formation of R, C, single bond OH, and here H, and this hydride is from. So there is formation of 4 molecules of alcohol, along with Al, OH thrice, and LiOH. In this way there is formation of alcohol. The point is to be noted here is that number 1, here one lithium aluminum hydride, it reduces 4 aldehyde molecules. Second point is the reaction is carried out in presence of ether as a solvent, so it is an inert solvent. Third point, this aldehyde it will always form primary alcohols will be formed. In this way you can prepare different primary alcohols by reducing aldehydes with lithium aluminum hydride. Now we will see here one particular example. we are having CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, that is 1-butanol. It is reduced with lithium aluminum hydride. In presence of ether, there is formation of CH3, CH2, CH2, CH. Now I write here hydride from lithium aluminum hydride, followed by OAlH3 negative and Li positive. Then second molecule of aldehyde, it will give CH3, CH2, CH2, H, that is the H from hydride, H, then single bond O. It was previously we were having one. Now from second molecule you will get another second. Now attached to Al. One hydride is again transferred, so H3 is now becomes H2 negative and associated with lithium ion. So it is 2 times, and then CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, that is the third molecule. So you will get here CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, here O 3 times and ALH negative and Li positive. Finally, it will react with the fourth molecule CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, that is the fourth molecule. It will form CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, here 4 times, here H, Al negative, Li positive. Finally, it is hydrolyzed in presence of an acid. You will get CH3, CH2, CH2, single bond CH2, CH and H, that is CH2 and OH. You will get here 4 molecules. Plus there is formation of Al, OH thrice plus lithium hydroxide, LiOH. In this way there is formation of alcohol. It is 1-butanol or butane 1-ol. So it is a primary alcohol. So primary alcohols will be formed. Now when ketones are reduced, then you will get secondary alcohols. Like one we will take here particular example. Here ketone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3, that is commonly called as acetone, dimethyl ketone, dimethyl ketone. In IUPAC it is propanone. In IUPAC it is propanone. So acetone, dimethyl ketone, or in IUPAC it is propanone. It is a ketone. So when ketone is reduced, you will get here with lithium aluminum hydride in ether, you will get here CH3, single bond C, single bond CH3, CH3, C, CH3. Now double bond becomes single bond, and one hydride from this is hydride coming from lithium aluminum hydride, and here Al H3 negative, Li positive. Then second molecules come into picture and reacts with this. Still it is having 3 hydrides, therefore it reacts, and then there is formation of another species where it is having Al H2 negative, Li positive. Then it will react with third molecule of acetone, giving CH3, C, CH3, HO 3 times, ALH negative, Li positive, and then the fourth molecule of acetone, it will react to form CH3, C, CH3, single bond H, O 4 times. Now it is 4 times, Al negative, Li positive. Finally, it is hydrolyzed in water. So you will get CH3, single bond CH3, single bond C, single bond CH3, single bond H, and here OH. So you will get here 4 molecules of isopropyl alcohol. 4 molecules of isopropyl alcohol. 4 molecule of isopropyl alcohol. 1, 2, 3. 2 propanol or propane 2-ol. In this way there is formation of secondary alcohol. So we come to the conclusion that when ketones are reduced, there is formation of secondary alcohol. You can have other ketone also. You can practice by using CH3, CH2, C double bond O, single bond CH3, ethyl methyl ketone. You will find reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. So you will use here 4 molecules. So in short, it will be written as CH3, CH2, C, single bond Al negative, Li positive. Here it is H, single bond CH3. Here it is 4 times. It is 4 times. So I is writing in this manner: CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, single bond O. Here 4 times, Al, Li positive, Al negative, and Li positive. It is hydrolyzed. After hydrolysis, it will be forming CH3, single bond CH2, H, CH3, single bond OH. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is सेकेंडरी ब्यूटिल अल्कोहल, या जिसको आईयूपीएसी में बोलेंगे ब्यूटेन टू ऑल. So it means that it is a secondary alcohol. So we can say that when ketones they are reduced, they will form secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols. In this way, there is formation of secondary alcohols. Then comes reduction of other compounds. Reduction of other compound like carboxylic acid. R C double bond O single bond OH. It is acid, as the name is suggesting. Carboxylic acid means it is acidic in nature. So it will give H plus ion, that is proton. Lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride. It is used in presence of, suppose, diethyl ether. Particular ether is mentioned here, diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. The problem is that it will give here H plus and it will give H minus. H plus and H minus, they combine together to liberate hydrogen gas. So there is formation of R C double bond O O. R C double bond O O. R C double bond O O. And negative, and it is combining with lithium ion. So lithium ion, and there is formation of AlH3. Three things are formed there. Li, it is going to oxygen, forming here RC double bond O Li, that is lithium carboxylate. Plus H minus from here, they will liberate in the form of hydrogen gas. And what is left now? Lithium gone, hydride gone, H3 is there, aluminum hydride, AlH3. So there is formation of. So this additional reaction is taking place. This additional reaction is taking place when carboxylic acid is taken. So here for carboxylic acid, you need excess of lithium aluminum hydride. Slightly larger quantity is required. So R C double bond O single bond O Li. Now it will react with lithium aluminum hydride. It will form RC single bond O, here AlH3, similar to the previous one. Here O Li plus minus, and here hydride from. So here it is hydrolyzed then in presence of an acid. So it will form R single bond C single bond OH single bond OH single bond H. It is hydrolyzed into OH group with LiOH. Here it is combined hydrolyzed to get here. So there is formation of, that is compound, that you know that both the OH groups are on same carbon, that is it is a geminal diol which is unstable. So it loses water molecule, and get converted into aldehyde, C double bond O single bond H minus H2O. So there is formation of aldehyde. Now this aldehyde it will be now reducing with lithium aluminum hydride. So lithium aluminum hydride. So aldehyde, then it will react with the first aldehyde molecule, then second molecule, then third molecule, and fourth molecule. So in this way 4 molecules of aldehyde, they will be reacting with lithium aluminum hydride, and it is forming C single bond O single bond H, single bond H. Here it is 4 times Al negative, here Li positive, which is hydrolyzed H3O positive hydrolysis. So it will give R, C single bond H, single bond H here OH, four molecules plus the rest of the things LiOH and AlOH thrice. In this way there is formation of alcohol. This alcohol, if you look carefully, it is a terminal carbon on which OH is present. So it is a primary alcohol. So we can say that when carboxylic acids they are reduced with lithium aluminum hydride, they will form primary alcohol. Now second point, here excess of lithium aluminum hydride is required because one additional reaction is taking place between carboxylic acid and lithium aluminum hydride. So in this way carboxylic acids, they are converted into primary alcohol.